Hello, welcome to another video. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing. This unboxing is from FGOBY. They did send me these items for review, so thank you to FGOBY. So first thing we'll do is the thing that's not wrapped up in the bubble wrap. So this one is a Easter. Yeah, this is supposed to be a desk ornament. Rogue drill. So let's hope nothing is gonna be like missing. Not that I'm too worried. So it looks like ordinary toolkit, except it does have some baggies and I think a bigger plate of wax than normal. So yeah. Isn't the base cute? And it actually is appropriate. It looks like an egg, an Easter egg. And then this one here is just so that it would be a thicker base. And I have been told in previous unboxings that, Joan, there's still another piece of plastic in there. So yeah, in case you don't know, there is still another piece of plastic here that you need to remove. Because, yeah. And when you put it onto this base here, it will be sticky. And then they'll be like, right like that. So, yep, I didn't realize that until someone pointed that out to me. And then I was like, I don't know why my base is coming off from this part here. Because this part should be sticky. One of these sides should be sticky. So, and maybe both of the sides are sticky. Nope, it's just the one side is sticky, and then you put them together to make a thicker base. I don't know why they don't just put them together anyway, but I don't know, more fun for you. So yeah, here it is. It's a Easter bucket. I was gonna say basket, but I was like, it looks more like a bucket, you know. So with the Easter eggs and some tulips. And let's see, it does look like there might be 20 colors. That's actually a lot. If let's see, there's like a 20 there, there's a 17, there's a 16. So there's actually a good amount of colors in just this bucket alone. And then with the Easter egg, there's plenty of other colors there too. So yeah, it looks like a lot of, oops, so here is the specials. It looks like there's some teardrops and then some marquees here. And then there is no crystal coat or anything, so some regular rhinestone drills here. Oh, this is a really pretty color. And yeah, they're a little bit on the muted side, but no, I think there's some nicer bright colors there. So let me put this in here so that the ones in the baggies don't get disappeared. So yeah. Oh, and this one, I didn't say, this one is currently on the site for $19.99. And it is about, that's probably the longest one. It's about like 18 by 21 centimeters. So yeah. Next one. Let's do this one. So this one is a special shaped diamond painting. And it looks like it's in another plastic. I cut all the bubble envelopes and didn't realize this would come in plastic also. So this is a special shape, the diamond painting here. So here it is. It's, oops, it's upside down. Well, is there really a right side up with this? You know, it's turtles. But yeah, it's a special shaped turtle, and it does look like there's even a fishy over here. I didn't notice that when I was getting it. So ordinary toolkit, except it comes with some black tweezers. And like I said, these are special shapes. And it does look like there are 13 colors in this one. There is a crystal code. It does look like it's all symbols, though. Not my favorite ones. So, drill field. Looks like the typical drill field you see for these specials. I do wonder if these random pieces here are actually sticky. Yeah, they are. But then is this sticky? No. Usually like when there are like random bits and pieces that are just diamond painted in the middle of the background, you do sometimes worry if the whole canvas is sticky or is it just that part there. So yeah, let's see. Did I say this was $7.99 maybe? In US dollars, and it is about 24 by 24. And let's see. Let's see what the drills are. Ooh, this is a really pretty color. I really like that one. Oh, and this one too. Some turquoisey colors here. A purple. Ooh, this one's a really pretty one too. Some yellow, and then it looks like now we're at the specials. So some marquees. Ooh, some gold domey ones. I like the gold domey ones. I don't know why. So this is going to be a very blinged up turtle. And a fish, you know, in case the fish gets forgotten that it's there. Is that even in the original picture? I don't know. I can't tell. So, next diamond painting. Okay, it's, I just kind of separated all my diamond paintings by like weight. Because I got enough for 2 unboxings and I was like, which one weighs more? So I actually have all of them open like as a link. So I'm like, okay, which one is this? So it looks like ordinary toolkit, except there's a couple baggies. These are actually round drills. And it's this one here. It's this Ladybugs diamond painting. I don't know, are there real live ladybugs that are blue? The only ones I've ever seen were red, but I would not be surprised if there is a blue variety and I just didn't know. Or is this just artistic? It's these ladybugs here with some flowers. This one is $7.99 and it's a 25 by, it's like 34 and a half. It's closer to 34 and a half. So it does, this legend is actually really small. It has 20 colors here. It does have DMCs and it looks like it's just letters and numbers. So the numbers are actually in numerical order and then the letters are just kind of like random. So let's look at the drill field here. So it does kind of look like it's like the symbol, the drill field is in square grids, but then the color is in a circle. And it's not the clearest, but I don't see anything that you would like mistake for each other. So everything looks like completely different colors, and I don't think anything you would mix it up. This one's actually very colorful. I like it. At least on canvas. So let's see. I don't know if this is the end or beginning. So some purples, yellows, black, ooh, some really vibrant purples, some some greens here, some nice sequential DMC greens. Yeah, 699, 700, 702, 704. So nice sequential green DMCs. Usually that ends up turning out really well. Some really, this one has some really vibrant colors, and this I'm thinking is the background. Number 16 is, yeah, that is the background. It's nice, beautiful bluish green color there. So yeah, no, this one looks like it would be really fun to do. So that's the last diamond painting for this unboxing. Let me show you everything I got. Move you up a little bit. So there's the ladybugs, the turtle, sea turtle. Here's the Easter basket here. I will say I'm gonna finish the Easter basket. If I do any of the other ones, it will be a bonus. Maybe my mom would be up to doing some of the other ones, but right now I'm just like, commit to the Easter basket. So I will see you later with the finish, hopefully, of at least this and maybe something else. I'll see you later. So I'm back, and yep, I guess you can't see it, but this one is done here. It's this Easter bucket. My camera's a little bit too far forward. You didn't even notice that. It's an Easter bucket here. That's what I called it, an Easter bucket. It has like a silver pail and then some eggs here and some tulips and maybe a daisy. And I forgot what these things are called. Are they like cowtails? So I did actually seal this already. So, you know, it's not sticky because my mom is one of those, like, she finishes it and she immediately wants to put it up. So this has been hanging out on my top of my fireplace, because right now my fireplace is a diamond painting shrine, where prior to that my fireplace was very empty. I had nothing on it. So yeah, my Easter bucket here. This was done by my mom. It's about an 18 by 21 centimeter diamond painting. It had 20 colors, 18 crystal rhinestones, and 2 specials. My mom did this over 1 day here. But yeah, I think it's beautiful. I like how the eggs turned out. I like how the pail turned out. I like how the tulips turned out. And I like how this flower here, this flower is beautiful. It's like, it has like some AB coated marquees here. And yeah, no, this just turned out really, really nice here. So yeah. And I did remove the plastic from both sides, so now my base is all nice and basey. There, yes, I can't think of any word other than basey. So I also finished, well, my mom finished that one. I finished this one, yay! This one here, it's these ladybugs, these colorful ladybugs with some flowers here. So this one was a 25 by 35 here. There was 20 colors. These are round. There were DMCs. It took me 2 days to complete this, and it took me 7 hours and 9 minutes to complete this. I must have had a lot of time in March too. I don't normally diamond paint that long. So what did I say? I thought the rendering was good, the symbols were okay, the stick was okay, the canvas was average, the drills were average. And when I say average, I don't mean they're bad, it's just like there's nothing different. And then I thought the gapping was actually relatively good, because I multi-placed this one and the drills actually still look relatively decent with the what do you call these? The color blocking. You could usually tell when there's gapping in rounds by when you multi-place whether the things that are color blocked, how nicely they still look even though you multi-place. Because multi-placing will really show the amount of gapping in a diamond painting. So I did replace the stems and the ladybugs with rhinestones, and I didn't say which colors because I just kind of chose whichever. So yeah, the flower here, this is rhinestones. I use like yellow rhinestones, and then I use the AB clear rhinestone. And then for the stems, This is rhinestones here, more rhinestones, and some rhinestones there. And then the ladybugs, I did use rhinestones in the ladybugs, so they're appropriately blingy. This one, I'm not sure if my choice for the orange, in person it looks a little bit so I should have chosen maybe a not so bam orange and maybe an orange that matches this more. I did like my choices in the pink here in the rhinestones, and then this more muted red in the rhinestones, and then I'm not bad. I thought my blue turned out good, but you know, I actually had to use like a lot of more rhinestones for the color blocking here, and I have to say, if you've been watching my kitting downs, I'm like, I haven't been doing a good job in my color matching, because once you pour it out in the tray, you're like, oh, that's a little bit different. So I don't know. Maybe my eyesight's not the greatest anymore to do the color matching. Maybe color matching from the bottles is a little bit harder to do than color matching from baggies. But either way, even though some of the green, like I noticed it in a lot in the green, I still ended up putting it. Like this is supposedly one color here, but when I put in it wasn't the greatest. But yay! But anyway, I had my fun blinging this up, and this one is just such a fun, colorful picture to just, like, I think if I just diamond painted it with the original drills, it would have been fine. I just was like, okay, I have so many rhinestones, what can I bling up? And I was thinking of doing the flowers, but there's actually a good amount of colors in the flowers, so I decided not to, and there was a little bit less colors in the ladybugs, so that's why I decided to bling up the ladybugs instead. But I did keep the outlines in the original colors. So yeah, this one, like I said, it was fun to do. I think it turned out really cute here. So yeah, here are the two finishes for this video here. So thank you to FGOBY for sending these items for review, and thank you for watching, and happy diamond painting. Bye!